Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Age-wise guide to baby feeding. There is a thin line between underfeeding and overfeeding your child. From newborn baby feeding tips to knowing where to draw the line if you are indeed overfeeding or underfeeding your little one, continue watching the video. Age: 0 to 4 months old baby. What to feed? Either breast milk or formula. How much to feed? For breastfed infants, 8 to 10 helpings or an on-demand modular feeding. For formula-fed kids, 6 to 8 helpings per day. Feeding tips. Breastfeeding mothers are advised to make wise lifestyle choices, seeing that whatever they eat or drink will pass on to their baby through the milk. Make sure that your kids are fed every 2 to 3 hours. Formula-fed kids are advised to be fed every 3 to 4 hours. Age: 4 to 6 months old baby. What to feed? Breast milk and gradual transition to simple solid foods. How much to feed? Significant decrease in breast milk or formula, maybe 4 to 5 times a day. Feeding tips. The introduction of solid foods will be quite the transition, especially if your kid is fussy with food. Start with cereal and move on to strained fruits and vegetables. Age: 6 to 8 months old baby. What to feed? Move on from simple cereals and strained fruits and vegetables to pureed and soft cooked foods. How much to feed? Strike a balance between feeding breast milk or formula and solid foods. Feeding tips. Try one solid food at a time. Age: 8 to 10 months old baby. What to feed? Simple solid foods and foods with combination and textures like juices. How much to feed? For formula-fed kids, 1 serving. For breast milk-fed infants, 2 to 3 servings. Feeding tips. If your baby is still dependent on breast milk or formula, you might want to be a little pushy with solid foods, as your child should already be teething. Age: 10 to 12 months old baby. What to feed? Finger foods. Pieces of soft fruits such as bananas. Egg yolks. Avoid egg whites for now. Soft cooked pasta and funny shaped cereals. For teething babies, meat and hard food can be pureed or mixed in a way that's easily chewable. How much to feed per day? Babies still need to be breastfed or formula-fed, but the servings must go down. Continue with solid foods like mashed beans, cheese, and yogurt. Feeding tips. Your baby will not always respond to new food well. Make sure to try after a gap of a few days to see how it goes. Things to watch out for to ensure that you are not underfeeding or overfeeding your baby. Signs that your baby wants to eat more. Signs such as restlessness, keeping the mouth open, and sucking on things like fingers and fists are all signs that indicate your baby wants to eat more. Signs that your baby may have enough food. Your baby will close its mouth, turn away its head, and plainly reject your tries to feed them when they have had enough to eat. Remember to follow your instinct when it comes to feeding your child, not to mention a balanced routine to ensure that your child never goes hungry.